Serpentine. Here's one of your 347 small block forestry script in this combination. It's got a set of our cast heads. It's got the Holley manifold, Holley Terminator X, great system, custom grind hydraulic roller, the front sump oil pan. It's got one of our SCAT Cranks, eagle rods, our custom DSS Pistons rotating kit in it. March Onyx front end, beautiful. Make sure the alternator charges for you. We'll go in there and make a run, see if she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,500, it's 403 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque looks like 414, peaks horsepower 430, rated 425, it's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple things here in Sebring. You'll find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. Highly recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have an engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code, takes you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.